Hey everyone, I'm Nick and we're going to make a homemade chocolate sauce. Really easy to do. We're going to start with sifting 3 tablespoons of a good cocoa powder. Right into the pan we're going to cook our chocolate sauce in. And to that we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1.5 cups of water. And that is all the ingredients for this chocolate sauce. Could not be any easier. We're going to put that on the stove top, whisk all the ingredients together. And we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes and reduce by half, and it's going to thicken up. And then when it cools, it'll be a perfect consistency. And the way to check if the consistency is good, this is after 15 minutes. It's looking nice. You can see it's not completely running off my spoon. Still has some thickness. Put it on a white plate. And if it runs all over, you need to reduce it more. But this looks perfect. It's not running off the plate. And when it cools, it will be perfect. So we'll just transfer this to a bowl to cool, and that's it. Super easy chocolate sauce made right at home. Give this recipe a try. You will not be disappointed. See you next time.